we have a little canning shed, and it's got a sink in it, and we noticed the sink was getting slow, and I come to find out here's the drain for it right there, and then it just had a 5-gallon barrel or a 5-gallon bucket in the ground to drain. So I'm going to use my backhoe and dig something and put in a better tank than what's in there right now, which is a 5-gallon bucket. This pipe over here, the one right there, is a drain line from around the canning shed so far, and then there's a concrete walkway that I had to move. So let's get to work on this. Hey, before I started this job, I just wanted to show you what the mover is all about. Sometimes if I'm in a steep area, I need a way to move the backhoe. Sometimes it's hard to drag up a hill or get down a hill or on a side hill. So I built this mover. I'll run it for you so you can see how it works. Now in this position, I can use the backhoe and I can dig with it, and the weight of the tractor and everything is going to hold it in place, which is a really good thing. I'm going to raise it up and give you an idea. It will go a little higher, but what I'm doing now by raising this up, it brings it back. So now I've put more of the weight of the backhoe on the wheels of the tractor itself. So I can go up steeper hills and it puts more weight on the wheels. So anyways, we're going to go ahead and start working. I made the box from cedar boards from my property. I should have about 15 years before I need to worry about it.